I'm so inconsistent with my content that मुझे खुद पे शर्म आती है. So everything keeping aside, recently मैं बनारस जाके आया and the experience was so divine and so calming that I just can't tell you. I would like to share my experience, places I visited, and let you know the history about Banaras. I just fell in love with Banaras. First, visit to a holy place, Banaras. So just take a tour with me and watch till end. Banaras, the holiest of the seven sacred cities in Hinduism, and one of the oldest cities in the world. It has lots of beautiful things to see and to do. There are 84 ghats by the Ganges, out of which the Saswamedh Ghat is the most important ghat. I will brief about the Ganga Aarti at the Dasaswamedh Ghat later in this video. Keep watching. Unfortunately, we missed the morning Ganga Aarti before sunrise, which is organized by Subhay Banaras. It is an experience that's sure to touch your soul. The Aarti, which is organized at 5 am, is amazing, with 7 people performing it roughly for 1 hour. The boat ride after that is a must, with a serene view of Ganga and all the ghats. And don't miss the kachori and the jalebi breakfast after the boat ride. You can also perform an hour of yoga session at the ghat. गले के लिए हृदय के लिए As we are already at Ramnagar, so we decided to visit the Ramnagar fort. This fort was built in 1750s by Raja Balwant Singh. At present, the fort is not in a good shape. There is a museum known as Saraswati Bhavan. It has elephant saddles carved out of silver, an impressive armory hall with swords, old guns from Africa, Burma, and Japan. The Saswamedh Ghat is the main ghat in Varanasi on the Ganga river in Uttar Pradesh. It is located close to Vishwanath temple and is probably the most spectacular ghat. Two Hindu legends are associated with it. According to one, Brahma created it to welcome Shiva, and in another, Brahma sacrificed 10 horses during Dasa Aswamedha Yajna performed here. Ganga Aarti is held daily at dusk. Several priests perform this ritual by carrying deepam and moving it up and down in rhythmic tunes of bhajan. Special aartis are held on Tuesdays and religious festivals. The Ganga Aarti starts soon after sunset and lasts for about 45 minutes. In summer, the Aarti begins at around 7 pm due to late sunset, and in winter, it starts at around 6 pm. Hundreds of people gather at the ghat every evening to watch the event. On 7th December 2010, a low-intensity blast rocked the southern end of the Aarti at the Sitla Ghat. This killed 2 people and injured 37, including 6 foreign tourists, and the Indian Mujahideen claimed responsibility for it. When you are in Banaras, गंगा आरती तो गए नहीं हम लोग, सोए रह गए। नींद ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, घूमने से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नींद है। कहीं भी जाओ नींद पूरा होना चाहिए। Banaras is older than history, older than tradition, older even than legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together. जो आप देख रहे हैं ये सब एंशिएंट स्ट्रक्चर्स है। बाबा आदम के ज़माने में ये सब बनाया गया था, 200-300 ईसा पूर्व। ये तब से यहाँ पे है। लाइन में फोटो खींचा, साथ में आ जाओ ग्रुप में। अबे चल आपको नहीं चलाने देगा। हाँ वही चलाते हैं। जस्ट टुक अ बोट राइड एंड वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द अदर shore of the river and just enjoy the view. Life is short and the world is wide. So stuff your eyes with wonder. Live as if you would drop dead in 10 seconds. See the world. It's more fantastic than any dream made or paid for in factories. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover.